Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? How's it going everyone? Sparky Marky Mark 23 here, and I'm back to do another video of what's on the envelope. Now, what do I have here? What is in this here envelope? I got this like very recently about say Monday, of course. Yep, Monday. I haven't had a chance to do a video yet, been caught up with life and other things, but I decided to do it anyway for this one, for the sake of the videos and the channels and such, and for all you fans out there, and to know the usual. Now, what is it from? It's from the good people and folks at CSR Collectibles, with their Do Not Bend. Now, of course, that's what it is, folks. So let's see, what do I even have in here? How am I gonna pull this off now? And besides, I had a coupon, and heck, by entering the giveaway, of course, I had to enter 10 times. If lucky win or lose, I get a coupon, and now I have this. How do I even open it? Oh yeah, I'll do this. Now, wow, that was very cool. Now, how am I gonna pull this off again? I gotta know how to do it. Wait a second. How about this? And yet again, it's another A. Michael Lerner autograph from Halloween 6, The Curse of Michael Myers. A. Michael Lerner, age 6. Wow. And this is the scene in the final act where the confrontations between the heroes, especially the hero Tommy Doyle, and then you have Kara Strode, and then you have Danny Strode, both played by Marion Hagen and Devon Gardner. And I don't even know who played the infant in that movie, really. But anyway, he did a great shot. He did a great job. So did George P. Wilbur. So yeah, if you heard my review on that movie, you get what I'm talking about. But again, he did a great job. I mean, look at this. That's a good confrontation scene in the film. And yeah, dudes, who doesn't like the Halloween franchise? Seriously. So anyways, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, autograph collectors, and collectors out there and such. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, and I'll catch you dudes and dudettes on the next vid. Catch you later.